Air Chuairt le Norma Martin agus Christine MacLeod. Túndar an dúlag nar a chuine ghlach. Turn the page when you hear the bell ring. It's Tuesday and today the children at the nursery are going to get a special treat. But first it's circle time. Dían lá haun and you? Asks Mrs. Burns, the teacher. Shet you marsh to haun, reply the children. Dían lá bhaun and ye? Miss Burns asks Holly and Michael. Shet you lo any bhaun and ye? They reply. Mrs. Harris, the nursery nurse, asks, Dían lá is an a maidach. Shet you kietin is an a maidach, reply Colum and Ian. The children are all excited. Díashin dal a yanu and you? Mrs. Harris asks them. Hashin dal good tai taski, they all shout. Hishin Dinas on around, says Miss Burns. The museum is huge and full of surprises. Have you been faking in dinosaur show? Asks Miss Burns. Ha, replies Finlay. Has you faking soul and bacon egg? Says Holly. Rachel has seen something else. Ha dinosaur ela and show. Shawl, shaw, shouts Rachel. Can't there a nirapal ata, says Finlay. Has strawn vor than dinosaur show, says Holly. When they get back to the nursery, Miss Burns asks the children, Am fakashiv and dinosaur like Hassan Gadid? Holly and Finlay reply, Chunig, but Colum replies, Chanachka. He was too busy looking at other dinosaurs. The children tell Miss Burns and Mrs. Harris about the other dinosaurs they saw. Va dinosaur around le strawn vor, says Rachel. Agus va fairle irapal fata, says Finlay. Hunig me se fairle soul and bicka, says Holly. Now it's time for the children to paint some pictures and make things. Haven't all the fentic dinosaurs, says Michael. Could paint there at the fair then, Mrs. Harris tells him. Ian has got himself in a mess. And Colum says, Show them laugh at you. Miss Burns is showing children what to do. Sua and shin, she says. Na sua dudach, Mrs. Harris tells her. Colum and Ian are both in a mess now. Had the hurricane got 'em, says Colum. Ian replies, Hanna heen and aka derak. Avilu tishal, Mrs. Harris asks Michael. Hami tishal, he replies. Famous at the line and year, Miss Burns tells them. Maddie wants to make something with glue and cardboard instead of painting a picture. Hamisha dal the yanu dinas or kutjach, she tells Miss Burns. Hamid dal a Sgoil-àraich show ha fema gamar shisar, says Maddie. Mrs. Harris asks the other children, Kweke hai? Akamsa, says Ailey. Now some of the other children are making cardboard dinosaurs. Fema me an glue a hua get a voxa, says Holly. Hami a guri box agus glue inish, Ailey tells Mrs. Harris. Ha harsht uan show raw ata, complains Finlay. Now the children have all finished. Sheldon and dinosaur akin, they say. Round 4 va, Miss Burns tells them.